Not as the world gives, do I give you. Now ihlabathi nabantu banengcinga ethi to be at peace is to be without problems. As long as sekho ingxaki angeke sibe at peace. As long as there are still conflicts, as long as there are still challenges, as long as there are still problems, we will never be at peace. Because according to the world, to be at peace is to be without problems, is to go without challenges, is to go without any conflicts. Then that's the words which can go I'm at peace. But what do you have to get now? I don't know that it's a tangalo. I live on the Sabbath. Dinika ukolo luam. The God kind of peace. He says, I want to give you such. Now it's oh ukolo lusebenza ngalo. Alifani nehlabathi. Ihlabathi alikwazi ukuba at peace today. Ingxaki zingabikho. Xa singekho ingxaki kungeke sabakwazi ukuthi then the at peace. How does this peace operate? In the midst of trials and tribulation. In the midst of troubles, in the midst of trials and tribulations, in the midst of adversities. That is why in the Bible we want to miss 110. Yathi inkosi kwinkosi yam hlala phansi denze iintshaba zakho isitulo senyawo zakho. Ngamanye amagama akukho ukwenziwa iintshaba zakho isitulo senyawo zakho ungekahlali kuqala. Njengoba uThixo ufuna umuntu ahlale ngenxa